So I got the two-tier bar cart now. I just got this thing assembled, so I haven't got the good stuff put in here yet, but I was super happy with how easy this was to assemble. So I had the whole thing assembled in about 20 to 25 minutes, did it all by myself. They gave me all the tools that I needed to get this thing put together. Like I said, I did it by myself, so if you're by yourself, don't worry, you can get the whole thing assembled. But this thing's got a lot of cool features on here, so you got a lot of shelf space up top and on the bottom, and then down here is going to be where you can put your wine rack. You're going to have rack of three, so you can put 3 bottles of wine, and you can put all of your wine glasses right here, so they can be hanging down there. So even though this is only two-tier, I think with the storage space up top, shelf at the bottom, and then these two racks here, you can actually fit quite a bit onto this cart, and it can be wheeled around. They got a cool handle right here with wheels, but they also can lock in place. Right now I have it locked in place, so if you're just gonna put it the side of your living room or dining room or whatever, like personally I am, you can just set it here, lock it in place, and it's not gonna roll around on you. But overall, it's exactly what I was looking for. I didn't want anything too crazy or spend a lot of money, so it's affordable, easy to put together, and I think looks great. So very happy with this. Got to get it filled up now, like I said, with the good stuff, but super happy. 2 thumbs up.